I've been watching the response of the people of Tamil Nadu. For a long time, they have been wanting to have the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister reaching out to the common man of Tamil Nadu. It has been not reaching because there has been a break at the state government, but now I think the people have decided because they want the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister. They have seen how India is growing under his leadership. India has become one of the brightest spots in the whole world, and Tamil community is very, very important in that. And for us to take that forward, it is very important to have a NDA government in the state of Tamil Nadu. And likewise, I am seeing great response coming from the people of Tamil Nadu also. And we will all work together to cater for the needs, to cater for the issues, to settle the issues that are there in the state of Tamil Nadu. And we will all work unifiedly because we want India to thrive. And if India has to thrive, all the states have to thrive. So for that, NDA's government is very, very important to be set up in Tamil Nadu.
One last question. BNP government continuously criticizing BJP. They are saying that BJP is only thinking about their north part and they are ignoring South India. Even they are ignoring the women empowerment, everything. How do you see this? Because BNP, Anil Kumar, he says many things. How do you see it?
No, these are all political statements. If you look at the reality, all the good things are happening in the NDA states. All the progress, the development and the standards that India is setting at a global level, these are all happening when there is double engine Sarkar set up. You see Andhra, you see Maharashtra, you see other states where there is a double engine government. You are seeing great progress happening. And that is what we want to see in this thing. And especially you are saying that BJP is concentrating. Tamil Nadu is a state which has been duly respected by BJP for a long time. They have been respecting the culture, they have been respecting the traditions, they have been respecting the language, the community, everything. So it is not that the NDA government has been concentrating on the north itself. In north, south, west, east, northeast, all the regions are properly respected under the NDA government, and that result you will see in the coming elections in Tamil Nadu.